Hi, good evening, traders. 30th of May, Tuesday evening, 4 minutes past 9 p.m. And Nifty manages to hold on to the gap up which we saw in yesterday's trade. Today's trade was essentially range bound with a decent degree of intraday volatility. We can see this range bound activity very clearly from the 75-minute time frame. And if you notice clearly, it was the first 75-minute bar in today's trade, which was a big outside bar. And throughout the day's trade, the index essentially stayed within this range, which means that for tomorrow's trade, any move beyond on the upside or on the downside will create some kind of a directional clarity for a day or two. We do tend to see a bit of momentum shift on the 75-minute time frame, but to be very honest, nothing over here on the daily time frame or on the weekly time frame. There are no such negative evidences which will suggest that the market is tired or the market can come down. So I think strategically one should maintain a bullish bias, but yes, expect higher degree of volatility to stay in the market, so you need to be extra careful with your trades. Bank Nifty played out more or less in similar way, but it was the last hour and a half which picked up decent buying towards the end. Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, in fact ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank also participated. It was a great day for RBL Bank, again over 6%. But Bank Nifty essentially all-time high, picked up this bounce back. Momentum is backing it. So again, no signs or no evidences as such on any of the time frame which can suggest that there can be some weakness. The only anticipation that we can create is the Bank Nifty has given us a structural breakout, and the breakout did come with a gap up. So this is some kind of a breakaway gap. The only anticipation, as I was saying, was just in case, if at all, it immediately slips over the next 2 days, then we might start to question this breakout, whether this breakout was a fake one or was it a trap or not. But that's for the future. As of now, it's a strong uptrend, momentum is intact, and one should maintain a bullish bias. Amongst the top 22 names, it's Larsen, which I think is at a make or break. The break essentially is coming from the weekly time frame, any break below last week's low. And the make essentially is above 2250, which can lead to fresh upsides. I think the stock specific behavior of the market will continue, and we need to be careful and we need to prepare well for our trades the next trade. I hope you've traded well. Take care of yourselves. Good night.